Welcome. Today we learn 30 modern bathroom items. Listen and repeat. Loofah. You use this in shower to clean skin. Loofah. Pumice stone. You use this to rub feet, removes dead skin. Pumice stone. Bidet sprayer. You use this to wash after toilet, common in Asia. Bidet sprayer. Electric toothbrush. You use this to clean teeth, it vibrates. Electric toothbrush. Smart scale. You use this to check weight, connects to phone. Smart scale. Plunger. You use this when toilet is blocked. Plunger. Dental floss. You use this to clean between teeth. Dental floss. Mouthwash. You use this to make mouth fresh after brushing. Mouthwash. Nail clippers. You use this to cut nails. Nail clippers. Hair dryer. You use this to dry hair fast. Hair dryer. Shaving cream. You use this before razor, makes skin soft. Shaving cream. Razor. You use this to shave beard or hair. Razor. Conditioner. You use this after shampoo, makes hair soft. Conditioner. Shower gel. You use this instead of soap in shower. Shower gel. Shower curtain. You use this to stop water in shower. Shower curtain. Bath mat. You put this on floor so feet don't slip. Bath mat. Air freshener. You use this to make bathrooms smell good. Air freshener. Faucet. You use this to get water, also called tap. Faucet. Bathtub. You use this to take a bath, big water container. Bathtub. Shower. You use this to wash body standing up. Shower. Trash can. You use this for bathroom garbage. Trash can. Shampoo. You use this to wash hair. Shampoo. Toilet paper. You use this after toilet. Toilet paper. Toilet. You use this for pee and poop. Toilet. Sink. You use this to wash hands and face. Sink. Mirror. You use this to see yourself. Mirror. Comb. You use this to fix hair. Comb. Soap. You use this to wash hands and body. Soap. Towel. You use this to dry body after shower. Towel. Toothpaste. You put this on toothbrush. Toothpaste. Thanks for learning. Comment your country's word for bidet. Subscribe for more modern vocabulary.